And so this year, very happy that my wife and I, who own Swords and Circuitry Studios, were a sponsor this year. But we've actually had films show here before. 2 years ago, we debuted our short, The Case of Evil. And we're really happy how that came out. But we had our premiere here, and we went on a world tour. We got into 39 festivals.
Congratulations. And what was the name of it again?
The Case of Evil.
The Case of Evil. And did it just come out last year?
Actually, we debuted at the end of 2014, but we were on tour last year.
Excellent, excellent. Congratulations. Very excited about that. So can we catch it on DVD now? Or
it's on DVD, but actually if you go to Amazon, and particularly if you're an Amazon Prime, you can watch it for free. If you don't have Prime, it's like $1.99 or whatever, and you can rent it. And so it's, again, it was locally made, all San Diego talent. And so we have such a fantastic community of filmmakers here in town. I can't say enough good things about them. Beth gave us a lovely review of the film, and so very proud of our San Diego people here.
That's wonderful, and we're excited to be here too. We came in obviously from Hollywood in LA, but we love San Diego, and we love all the talent that's out here as well. So tell us more now about gaming. There's so much that you do, or the book, or something, whatever. What's next?
So, well, actually, right now I'm currently doing some writing for some computer games. It's actually my day job is actually working in the computer gaming industry. Excellent. And so I've done that for 26 years now. And so, my wife and I are co-authors of a book called Swords and Circuitry, A Designer's Guide to Computer Role-Playing Games. That's actually where the title of our company came from. It's starting off with Swords and Circuitry. So
excellent, excellent. Okay, and so what's next? A new short film? Any features in the?
We have a couple of things coming up. One thing that we're real excited about is we're currently working on a radio drama series called Uncharted Regions. And because right now we want to do a feature, but we're going to have to raise some funds for it. But in the meantime, we still want to keep doing something so that people can be doing stuff. So again, it's very Twilight Zone. It's kind of like Twilight Zone on the radio. And we're currently in the process of casting that and hoping to maybe start getting that rolling maybe by the end of the year, start of next year, something like that.
Wow. Well, that's wonderful. Sounds very exciting. Well, pleasure to meet you, and thanks for taking some time out with us. And thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Best wishes.